original backward. So take to the profile section and check to the tail first. So client requires only how much is needed to cut, which is going to be carried to the tail. So this much is going to be carry the tail. So what I'm going to do, I just chop on it. Look it down, just you don't worry. Yes, perfect. So again, see the tail is coming over here, remaining tail. Hmm? Remaining tail over here. So what I'm doing is, I'm just taking through the help up to the base cut, removing the tail. Back section I'm going to be clutch back because S sectioning is finished. So I have to take to the forward one, front one. Where is mom?
Line
It's finished it too? Make sure it's very gentle and polite to the when you clutch the hair. The client has to be, shouldn't get any pain with the hair. So front section anyhow I need to release it. So what I'm do, the front section clip take a clutch back. Okay. So what I do, just open the hair, very proper. So guideline, when you starting to take to the guideline, make sure very less. This much is very sufficient for high professional haircuts.
इतना सा काफी गाइडलाइन
बहुत ही काफी. So remember, high professional haircuts is always this much is sufficient to the experts. If you are beginner, take more. So what I'm doing is, I just cut it up through this till this side, the half of the section.
इधर
Or else, if it is hair density is so thick, do you feel so thick? Then divide the partitions, half of partitions, divided, and hold the sections, and take through the guideline and cut it up the remaining balance side. Just tilt on this side. Yes. Always when you start to cut the hair side sections, always tilt the head. Why? Because the gradual elevation it will become zero angle should be proper. If case is straighten, it will become uneven. Shouldn't match to back also even. So remember. So my guideline is where? Don't know. Yeah, here is my guideline. So remaining balance, just chop on it. So is when I come to the side portion, it will be less hair. Anyhow, I need to check back to again balance section. So when you cutting to the hair, keep check your client position has to be tilt. So it's not coming the hair, any hair. Its elevation is finished at. The same thing, we can justify this side hair to be same one. Now this side has to be till this side.
उधर आ जाओ.
So
उधर से दिख रहा है.
what I do is again to divide the portion. So just till this side, please. Yes. So already I can measurement is the guideline because I know the length up to the decision. I need to just no need to cut much, just trim. Take it up remaining balance. Check it to the bottom throw. See, remaining it should be coming out. Chop in it. So what we do now, we come to the front forward layer. Front forward layer, the profile section has to be center. Center client head should be straight. We have to be stand the opposite version and take it out into the very less, very fine section. Should be this much is possible to handle it, handle it. And you want to some more less section if you want to take lesser sections. How much less section if you take, that much is haircut is become very good. How much if you thicker section if you take, that much is will be hair going to be collapsed it. So depends to the patches up to the layer. So what I am doing is I need to my client measurements and requirements is very less. To add a proper layer to the eliminate to the remaining balance unwanted hair. I need to eliminate only to the unwanted hair. I need to just check through the nose level, remaining balance. I need to cut it off. Should be 0 angle. When you stand, the position is front, is 0 angle. When you start, the back position is reverse. It will be turning into 180 degree. Just look it up some more. Yes. So for me, it's this much sufficient length to chop in it. Yes. Let's turn more. So remaining balance, what I do it. So I save the length. I want to save the length. So what I'm doing is diagonal. I'll take the section diagonal to the save the length. Its density is very thicker too. So this much will be not able to handle it. So how much it will become? Fine section if you want to take it down. So the elevation should be front forward. So this is called the forward layer. If you take to the vertical section, when you can come to the forward, it has to be horizontal. Vertical, trying to the horizontal. Okay. So remaining balance, the length, we have to be anyhow have to be saved. So this is our guideline. Remaining, chop on it. So it's visible for you. Visible for you. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Come this side, Anuj. We have to be checked reverse through this. You can here itself, it can hold, it has to be travel like this, like feather. So when you release the head, make sure to inwards to release the head. The center profile again I take back. So straight, look at straight, yes. So again, to shift back the angle. See, I need just a connect in it. I don't want to reduce the length, I need to connection it. To the accept the same time. Hold this hand. Have a look straight, please. So again, fine section I take. Let it be straight, yes. Where is my guideline? Couldn't find out till my guideline. I'll take some over here. Leave this much. If you're not confident to that guideline, if you couldn't find out as much as possible, you can take bunch up to the hair to find out to the guideline straight up. Yeah, here is my guideline. Remaining what I'm doing is saving the length. So elevation should be the top to the nose, exactly the measurements has to be followed. So when you can travel the vertical to the when you hold to the nearby the roots, when you travel forward has to be turning into the horizontal. Vertical, horizontal. See, my guideline is almost saved on. I need to cut much. Okay, what I'm doing is now it will be I'm giving to the back the layer. The same through the orange peel. So I take the guideline only this much. The tilt after the hair is enough for me. Very strange after the hair. Remaining balance what I do, flash back.
बस इतना ही काफ़ी है करने।
Of course, मेरे लिए तो इतना ही काफी है। आपको ज्यादा लेना है तो इतना सेक्शन डिवाइड कर लो। बाकी सेक्शन को फ्लैश बैक because shouldn't disturb. Come fast. So what I'm doing again, release the back section. This is my guideline, right? I keep this separate. So if I travel to the elevations to the layer, then I can help up through that. I'll take it out. So how I take, the first section should be parallel to the vertical and turning into the pivoting, pivoting, pivoting. Should be pivoting, pivoting, pivoting. समझ में आया? क्या है?
उसको ऐसे मतलब यहीं से कनेक्ट करके पहले ये लेना है, फिर उसके बाद ऐसे, फिर ये सेंटर से कनेक्ट होना है ना।
सेंटर ही करता है ना पहले।
So what I do, this profile section I take, remaining balance, I divide it. So I just start to the elevations to the lift it out. Lift it up. Has to be save the length. Bottom length save करना है हमें collapse नहीं करना है। collapse नहीं करना मतलब क्या करना है? इसको काटना नहीं है bottom length को। So now I'll take through this. This is my guideline. I'll take that. My finger is traveling towards to the up to towards down. Like concave. See, my guideline is traveling over here. Where is my guideline? Over here. I can find out remaining balance, cut in it. That's it. Very simple. Remaining how much is balance here is going on no matter what. We have to be save the length. We should not worry about the balance remain the length. So we have to be give the shape according to the save the length. We again recheck the hair to very slowly, gently hold up. Check it out. It should be angle should be slightly elevation. Should be 180 angle. 90 to 180 travel. So my guideline I'm going to be split both sides. So again what I'm doing is connection to the same position, but should be taken to the going to the parallelly pivoting sections. So how its position is come, roots opposite only have to be elevated. The under the knee the come the hair and remaining balance just take it off the grip over there itself and cut it off. Under the knee means what, Alex?
Sorry.
Under the knee. Under the knee means this. समझ में आया बेटा?
एल्बो नहीं बोलेगा, नहीं नी बोल रहा है।
Under the knee. It has to become under the knee. The high profile scales they used to talk. We should not talk about hellbone. See, elevation. Traveling guideline should be same. The changing the position up to the head, but pointing should be same. It should be randomly traveling guideline, but point should be same. how much fine slice we take to haircut, that much fine layers will be come over us. So make sure elevation time you should properly comb and check your position, and client should be never uncomfortable. You have to be such a position stand. उसको चिपक के नहीं स्टैंड होना है क्योंकि क्लाइंट अनकंफर्टेबल फील करती है. Here is my guideline. Write it out. Straight. Yes, sit proper in the center of chair. Finish this very fine section. No? That guideline itself among the hair, you can take it down. Throw. You have to be come to the position of horizontal. When you start to vertical, but when you can look that horizontal, but holding should be vertical. समझ में आया? क्या समझ में आया?
उसके हिसाब से जो एंगल है उसके हिसाब से अभी उधर लेके जाना है ना उसको, पार्टीशन के हिसाब से.
वर्टिकल हॉरिजॉन्टल क्या होता है?
वो तो मालूम नहीं है क्या होता है.
वर्टिकल ऐसे है ना, हॉरिजॉन्टल ऐसा है.
तुम ये पोजीशन पे खड़े हो, इसे बोलते हैं वर्टिकल. ऐसा होता है, इसे बोलते हैं हॉरिजॉन्टल. आड़ा सीधा. ठीक है.
तो हिंदी में बताओ ना, फिर इंग्लिश में क्यों बता रहे हो यार?
उतना समझ में नहीं आता मुझे बताने के टेक्निकल्स, इसीलिए बस मैं मेरी माथा खोल रहा हूँ. Don't worry, should be same. No worries.
आनंद ब्रो,
Yes.
एक बार फिर बोल लो ना, वो कैसे की हॉरिजॉन्टल कैसे लेते हैं?
Horizontal should be if you stand, which is look to that like this. That's called a horizontal. Which is look straight away. That's called the vertical.
वर्टिकल.
So इसका बाल में ब्लो ड्राई नहीं टिकता है. अगर हमें यही चैलेंज है, हम बना के दिखाएंगे. How? कैसे?
किसके बाल में नहीं टिकता अब?
टिकता नहीं.
किसके बाल में?
अगर हम करना है क्योंकि होल्डिंग टेक्सचर इट विल बी वेरी स्ट्रेंथलेस. इट्स टर्निंग इनटू ओनली स्ट्रेट. नहीं स्ट्रेट होता है बाल. सो इसमें ब्लो ड्राई हमेशा चैलेंजिंग ही होता है. तो मैं क्या करना है, करके ही दिखाना है.
लैंड हेड टू टॉप.
See again, parallel section should be very less to divide it. So again, travel according the hair. Should we see how neat and clean the slice is visible out, and back side and front side too. When you can start the finger, slowly elevation it. Elevation it, elevation it. See, here is my guiding. That's it. Very simple. So why one single hand why I'm showing? Because the keep practices will make you perfect. So I can show the single hand the perfection. I don't want to touch the comb.
Okay.
I can elevation it. The hair must be something is messed up, but I can just take back again. So once it's final, you can just check reverse. That's it. Clear. So if you want to be check cross, take the slice up to the triangle shape. To the lift it up. See, it will be coming like this. So there are no uneven hair. It's everything is even. That's it. So this side cross checking. I take slice up to the triangle. Triangle shape means
Okay.
triangle. There itself divided by check row. See, nothing much coming. A little uneven. That's it. So cut should be proper. So now how to do blow dry? How to make the setup? The thing is, major thing is very knowledgeable kind of this hair. कोई serum ला, ये भी serum ले.
சீரம் இங்கே எங்கடா சீரம்
There only coming back. Towards the knee. Don't worry. तो slowly मैं lifting कर रहा हूँ बालों को.
ऊपर?
हाँ, क्योंकि वॉल्यूम देना है.
ओके.
Towards turning out. एंड को लॉक करना है हमेशा. मतलब लो राइट. जितना रेस अप करोगे उतना, जितना हैंड्स ऑन बैक टू बैक करोगे उतना सॉफ्टनेस आएगा एंड में. इसके बाद लॉक करके सील करना चाहिए. एक लॉक किया. अभी सील कर रहा हूँ. बाकी जितना बाल गिरे उसका नो प्रॉब्लम. एक बार हॉट, एक बार कोल्ड, एक बार हॉट, एक बार कोल्ड, एक बार हॉट, एक बार कोल्ड. कोल्ड देने से ज़्यादा क्या होगा, ज़्यादा शाइन ऐड होगा. तो अब क्या करो, बाकी पूरा बाल उठा लो, इसमें ऐड कर दो, टाई अप कर लो. आपको इतना कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं आ रहा है तो फिर से क्या करो, पूरा एकदम लॉक करो हाथ से. लॉक करके फिर
एक बार गरम, एक बार ठंडा.
हाँ. ओके फाइन.
मैं 14 रुपीस वापस दे दूँगा. ये आकाश से दिया है. 14 रुपीस देना है. कौन दिख रहा है?
देख, हमें स्पाइरल करना है. इसे स्पाइरल कैसे करेंगे हम?
मैंने वीडियो बना लिया लेकिन बेटा तो
Okay. So again, take the remaining balance hair section to lift it up.
525.
See here, my hair is here. So what I'm going to do, give a texture cut, go back. No. So this is not going to be cut. Just giving to the added texture. So this is, when you can twist also, it will become very good hair. See? So lose the hair towards where you done the styling. See how look this? Little bit. Is none of tail the hair and make sure it's very flexy and texture should be very softened. So पीछे का बाल कहाँ पे लिफ्ट करना है? जहाँ पे हेयर कट किया था वहीं पे लिफ्ट करना है. ऊपर नहीं काट रहा हूँ मैडम जी, मैं जस्ट टेक्सचर दे रहा हूँ. सी होल्ड इट हियर. So if you want to be some more forward, you can bring that. So however it can just possible to lift the hair, to holding should be proper. Holding should be proper and your texture. इसको भी सामने फॉरवर्ड में छोड़ सकते हैं. Like ये turning into towards to the back, because the length is different. So this haircut is will be only carried to the Deepika Padukone. A many rare time, and Alia Bhatt was used to cut this hair. So आपको पता चल गया कि स्ट्रेट हेयर में भी कैसा ब्लो ड्राई करना है, राइट कृषि? सो इस हेयर कट में जो भी डाउट है कोई भी पूछ सकते हैं. So a model is highlights is exposing more. Highlights is exposing more. See, I towards turning into the towards to the back. First, how was looking? Again, I came back to the this side section. So, bring down to the power. Hold it. And give it a shot. So again change the position. Fine, please. So if you want to keep more shape up and flexible layer, then give more texture. The more texture can give more shape. The less texture, less shape. Yeah? समझ में आया?
नहीं.
क्या समझ में आया?
क्या बोला, क्या समझ, वो समझ में आया.
ज़्यादा कटेंगे तो ज़्यादा बाहर निकलेंगे.
क्या निकलेंगे?
शेप.
Almost finish.
वीडियो डाल भी सकते थे.
छोटा हो गया?
इतना डिफरेंसेस नहीं है. इतना डिफरेंसेस नहीं है.
कभी नहीं किया ना.
तो देखो उसका हाईलाइट्स कितना एक्सपोज हो रहा है. This highlights also starting into very shiny. So it's combination.
मस्त लग रहा है.
So always remember guys, presentation is most important except to cut the hair. रुकिए मैडम जी, मिस इंडिया.
क्या है गाना?
कृषि
तो कितना, कम से कम 6-7 GB पूरा भर गया है. तो वीडियो में
नहीं, लैपटॉप में डालेंगे आज, डाल के निकालेंगे. ठीक, टेंशन ना लो.
नहीं तो हम छोटा छोटा बना के पिकअप करके 5 से 6 मिनट्स का बनाओ.
इतना हेयर कट में डायग्राम भी वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है. जितना डायग्राम करोगे. Came Yogi? Client came up
లేదు ఆన్ ది వే
on the way. Tell to make a tea then.
పొట్టాను
Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes.
रुक जा.